March 5th, the night a tornado ripped through Madison County. It wasn't just deadly, it created just tons of damage, dozens and dozens of homes, flattened, debris scattered. It's still being cleaned up today. We have the Emergency Management Director, Dio Ayala, joining us for the first time in our studio. Thank you for carving out some time to update our viewers since it's been 2 weeks. We know you're so busy. What stage are you at now with those 50 houses? About how many of them roughly are completely gone now?
So it looks like right now about 14 houses that are completely destroyed. And we have different levels. You have destroyed, you have major, minor, and then just kind of affected. So I have 50 homes total. But on that Carver Row, we have the most destruction. Right. And that's where our biggest need is for heavy equipment and machinery.
Okay, the weather's been pretty lousy this week.
Yes, it has been.
We're also 2 weeks removed. And this is just a normal psychological thing that happens with a disaster. People rush to it immediately after it happens. And then time passes and not so many. But that's why you're here today, is to make a plea to those of you watching.
Yeah, so, you know, in Madison County, we got the biggest brunt of this EF4 tornado. Right now, we're looking for heavy machinery and equipment. So skid steers, heavy dump trucks. Because we have so much debris that's left, we're looking for volunteers if they can come up and help us to clear that out. So bring those heavy machinery in and help us clean up. We have a big push for this weekend to get some more of that off there. And it's really good for our homeowners as well, so that people that have lost their homes to kind of get that stuff out of there to, you know, kind of start all over again. So
that's got to be big for them. I'm glad you mentioned that, because when you stand there and you see that mess day after day, week after week, it's got to take a real psychological toll.
It does. I mean, if you think about all the memories that are there in those people's homes, just hoping to get that away. And we've been able to find a lot of things. We found wedding dresses and rings and things of that nature. So, you know, a lot of stuff's been pushed away, but the debris, you know, the insulation, parts of the house, that's the stuff we want to kind of get out. And then, of course, the tree debris. We have, you know, acres and acres of trees that have been destroyed because of the storm. So for us, this is to kind of clean that up and kind of start over again. I mean, psychologically, people are going to have to walk their way through it, but, you know, just to get that physical stuff out is really important.
You need heavy machinery, which you already mentioned, but you also need what we're seeing on the screen here. You need hands.
Yes. Yeah, so again, I know it's rainy today, so it's a good day to kind of think about your weekend. It's supposed to be a little bit nicer this weekend, according to Ed, so we're going to go with what Ed said.
Start planning while it's raining.
Yes, plan now in order for us to help us, because we definitely need the help. Yeah, sorry.
No, you're fine. Let's talk about this, because you think there's an opportunity for businesses, companies that maybe want to have a team building exercise to get everybody together and go do some good down in Madison County, help some people out, and that's something you can accommodate.
Oh, definitely, yeah. I mean, we had some people from Wells Fargo come down recently, so that's been great. But yeah, any company that wants to come out and to spend half a day or a day would be great for us, because again, the sooner we can get that cleaned up, the sooner we can kind of move on. So yeah, if anyone out there wants to volunteer, again, heavy machinery or people, we definitely would take them.
And you see those people getting a reward from it too.
Yes, I do. And we have an organization called GoServe right now. It's out there helping us and doing a lot of the work as we kind of move on with volunteers kind of going down. And that's kind of the number. If you need heavy machinery, Barb is the person to talk to. But, you know, overall, I think it'd be great for team building. It's great for in general. I mean, it's good to kind of see what happened. Obviously, this is a Severe Weather Awareness Week. So, you know, every day is another way to kind of prepare. So you can kind of see the damage of what happened and definitely understand what weather can do, and then also help people that are trying to recover.
Let's get the information up on the screen, because I know a lot of you at home are saying, okay, I'm pumped up, I'm ready, let's do this. This is for people who live in Madison County and want to apply for about the $200,000 or so that's been raised in donations. This is for storm victims. You email Tom at MadisonCountyDevelopment.com. His name's Tom Lenners. Tom at MadisonCountyDevelopment.com. That's where you can apply to receive assistance if your home was damaged, if you have medical bills because you were injured in the storm. That's who you contact there, and then we want to get you the right number to call on the bottom of your screen, 712-283-2304 for these volunteer opportunities. And you guys coordinate it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's not mass chaos. We get people to come down, we tell them where to go, we give them the houses, and then we go from there. I mean, it's good to be organized, obviously, with the amount of people that come down. I mean, our first day we had 500 people show up, so that was a lot to coordinate. Obviously, the numbers are going smaller, but we will definitely tell you where to go and what we need.
And let's be real clear on the days. So you think you're going to hit it hard Saturday?
Yeah. So
Sunday?
Sunday we're usually closed, but
right.
Saturday definitely. I mean, it wouldn't stop volunteers that coming down Sunday if they want to, but they wouldn't be coordinated through my agency. So.
All right, best thing to do is call that number. Let's get it up on the screen one more time. It's a 712-283. What's the number?
Oh.
2304.
2304. Yeah, that's right.
Ask and ye shall receive. Dio Ayala, thank you so much for all you do, all you have done, especially over the past couple of weeks for everybody down where you live.
I appreciate that. And again, it's been a great support system for you guys. Thanks for having me down here.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can take a break from this kind of weather for a while.
We hope so.